Hey guys, how y'all doing? I actually just wanted to come on here because I wanted to do my nails during this quarantine. Like, I know I'm not going anywhere, but I just still wanted to, like, you know, have my nails done or something. So I have 4 different nails that I'm finna choose from, but this look like very birthday-ish, so I'm gonna wait with that one. This one too, this look real pretty, you know what I mean? Like, I could wait for this, like, when I'm going somewhere. This one is cool too, but I like to wear them short, so I'm actually not in the mood to put these on and then cut them. So I'm just gonna do these. My nail beds are pretty big, so I actually hope they do have my size or whatever, but I'm just gonna open up the pack. Oh yeah, they do. Oh, they got my size or whatever. They looking big. They looking big. Oh, that's what they do. They put the small fingers. Oh. They put the little fingers for the little. Okay, and my big ass is back here in the corner. Oh, that's how they do me. Okay, well, I need these. I know for a fact my thumb is the biggest one. So I don't know if the biggest one is a, oh yes, 0. I need you. Yeah, this is my thumb. Oh, this is cute. This kind of cute. Okay, so the first thing that I'm gonna do, take my filer and just file my nails down. Because you kind of want to do this first so that your nails actually have something to stick to. Because if you actually don't do this, then the glue is just going to slide right off. It's like, you know, I can't explain it, but I just know you have to do this before you put those nails on. Because, or else your stuff will come off in like 2 days. And you don't want that. So that's pretty much what I'm doing right now. And I'm going to do it to all 10 of my fingers. And honestly, I did my nails like last week, and it actually lasted a week. Like, I feel like that's enough. That's long enough for like clip-on nails. Like, you don't need no longer than a week, girl. Like, you wash your face, you wash your skin. Okay, so I know for a fact, I don't know what's wrong with my light, but it's acting real retarded. Let me fix you, because I don't know what you're doing right now. You trying to die. So I know for a fact I'm a 0. So I'm going to actually take the 0s and put those to the side. Whatever, my light was bugging. Okay, so I'm going to take, I don't know if you guys can see that, but no, it's a 0, okay? And those are going to be for my thumbs. Okay, this is gonna work for me. This is a number 3. I'm gonna use the number 3 for my this finger. Put that right there. Put that on the side. So now I need my ring finger. Let me see if I can just get my pinky out the way. Let me see, is this good enough for my pinky? Oh, perfect. What number is this? This is a number 7. Oh. Oh. Where number 7 at? Dang. Oh my god. Why I gotta take all these out for number 7? Number 7, where you at? Okay. That's 6. Okay, number 7 gotta be one of these. Okay, number 6. Oh, gotcha. So number 7, these are my pinkies. So this is my thumb, this finger, this finger. I need these 2 fingers now. So let me see. No. No. Oh my god. This, you know what? I might have to file this down. So sometimes you don't find your right size, so you do have to file. In some cases, just file it down to your liking, which is what I did here. And this is what, number 1. So number 1, I'm gonna just have to file you down a little bit. That's gonna work for right now. And I need my middle finger. What number is this? This is 2. I file you down to. Okay. I do is just take regular nail glue. Is this focusing? Okay. I like to put it on my nail for some reason. I don't know if that's the right way to do things, but you're supposed to push your cuticle back, but I like kind of push my cuticle back with the fake nail. And then I just let it sit. And then I hold it down for like 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom. I'm gonna do the same thing over here. Like I said, I push it back. So I usually, if you can see what I'm doing, I'm actually pushing it back and then pushing it down, and then I hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same thing, pushing it back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. So guys, I'm back, and they actually came out kind of cute because these are like cheap. These were really like $3, and I think this actually came out kind of cute. The only thing is that my hands is dry, so I am gonna take some lotion and just rub it on my hands as if I went to the nail salon. These are actually pretty cute. I like them. I mean, for $3 and I didn't go get my nails done, I think they're cute.